There's a house in Onitsha that tells a story without saying a word. If you walk through inland town in Onitsha, Anambra State, and get to number 2 Jideofor Nzegwu Street off Oka Road, you will find a building that still carries the physical scars of history. This house was built in 1924 by Akunne Samuel Jideofor Nzegwu. At the time, he was a court clerk in the early 1900s and was known as one of the wealthiest Igbo men of that era. The building itself was constructed with some of the best materials available at the time, and interestingly, it was built around the same period as the famous Dennis Memorial Grammar School in Onitsha. But what makes this house truly remarkable is what happened decades after. During the Nigerian Civil War between 1967 and 1970, the building came under heavy attack. Nigerian troops reportedly bombarded the house multiple times in an attempt to bring it down, but it never fell. Instead, the building survived the war and it still stands even today. Because of the marks left behind from those attacks, the house earned a name, Mgbo, which translates to the house riddled with bullets. And those bullet marks are still visible on the building today. In fact, it is believed to be the only remaining structure in Igbo land that still bears these bullet scars from the Biafran War. Today, the house stands not just as a building, but as a reminder of the war, a reminder of the resilience of the region, and a reminder that sometimes history doesn't just live in books. Sometimes it lives in the walls of a house.